Garmin has built a strong reputation in the world of rugged smartwatches, known for their durability, accurate tracking, and feature-packed design. Trusted by adventurers, athletes, and outdoor enthusiasts, Garmin's Fenix series in particular has become a go-to companion for everything from long-distance treks to triathlons and mountain climbs. The Fenix 8 has already set a new standard, offering advanced health and fitness tracking, outstanding GPS accuracy, long battery life, and a tough, adventure-ready build. But it looks like Garmin is preparing to push its technology even further. Exciting signs are pointing to the possibility of standalone LTE capabilities arriving in its top-tier models, with change that could transform the way these watches are used. If this comes to life, Garmin users may no longer need to carry their phones on long hikes, intense workouts, or rugged expeditions. With LTE built directly into the watch, they could handle calls, texts, and notifications right from their wrist, offering a whole new level of freedom and independence. Right now, the Fenix 8 offers an impressive suite of features, covering everything from heart rate and sleep tracking to oxygen saturation and stress monitoring. It even includes a built-in LED flashlight, a small but useful feature for night runs or camping trips. The watch also has a microphone and speaker that allow you to take calls, but only when your phone is nearby. This limitation might soon disappear. Hints about Garmin's LTE ambitions first surfaced in the Garmin Connect app. Users noticed that alongside Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, LTE appeared as a standalone connectivity option, not just as something paired through a smartphone. While Garmin hasn't made any formal announcements, the addition of LTE to the app strongly suggests something major is in the works. Looking back, Garmin has experimented with LTE before. The Forerunner 945 LTE offered safety alerts and live tracking, but it was never designed to fully replace a phone. The Bounce smartwatch for kids included LTE for communication and tracking, but again, its focus was narrow. This time, however, Garmin seems to be aiming for a fully independent smartwatch experience. Imagine wearing a Fenix 8 that allows you to make calls, send messages, and receive notifications without being tethered to your phone. That's the kind of upgrade that would appeal to serious athletes, adventurers, and even everyday users looking for freedom on the move. And it's not just the Fenix 8 that might benefit. There's talk that other models like the Enduro 3 and the military-grade Tactics 8 could also get LTE capabilities. This suggests Garmin is planning a wider rollout, not just a single device upgrade. There are, of course, some challenges ahead. Compatibility with iPhones could be tricky, as Apple's system doesn't allow third-party smartwatches to share the phone number and full LTE features the way the Apple Watch does. Android users, on the other hand, might get the full benefit right away, since brands like Samsung and Google already support LTE smartwatches. Still, even limited LTE features like live tracking and emergency alerts would be a valuable addition for iPhone users, especially those heading into remote areas. Picture the real-world impact, heading out on a multi-day hike or a long bike ride without needing to bring your phone, all while your watch handles tracking, communication, and safety. You'd be able to upload fitness data, call for help in an emergency, or make a quick call right from your wrist. For ultra-endurance athletes, solo adventurers, military personnel, or even urban commuters, that's a big leap forward. LTE on a Garmin watch isn't just about convenience, it's about improving safety, enhancing performance, and offering users the freedom to focus on their journey instead of their devices. It's the kind of innovation that fits perfectly with Garmin's long-standing mission to help people push their limits. There are still some open questions. Will Garmin roll out full LTE with calling, texting, and possibly support for third-party apps? Or will it focus mainly on core safety and tracking features? The direction Garmin takes will determine whether it stays in its specialty niche or moves into direct competition with big tech brands like Apple and Samsung. What's clear is that Garmin has always focused on building tools for people who challenge themselves and explore beyond the ordinary. Adding LTE would remove some of the last remaining barriers, letting users go further while staying connected. For loyal Garmin users, this upgrade would deepen the value of the devices they already trust. For potential new customers, it might be the feature that finally gets them on board. Would you be ready to rely on a Garmin watch with full LTE, or would you still keep your phone close by? Either way, if these updates are real, they could mark one of the most exciting moments in Garmin's history.